Good morning. Today is day 2 of potato storage. So I just got to the field and there's a truck being filled in front of me. So I'm kind of hanging out to see whether I need to go around the field or come up right behind it. So yeah, early start. Here we go. Checking in with Shane. Things are going well? Yes?
So far, so good.
Good. All right, my potato truck. Getting ready to go. Just got unloaded. Gotta get back to the field. It is hot in here. I don't know if the heat is like stuck on in this truck or if it's just hot, but I'm sweating. All right, back to Lewiston, get more potatoes. So the windrower puts these potatoes in between these 2 rows, and then the harvester will harvest up the 2 rows that are under the dirt and the windrow potatoes. I actually have a second here. I'll walk around. And the tractor with the windrower is way down there. We will go see that hopefully in a little bit, some point today. So this is where the potatoes have not gotten dug yet. Dave's tractor and our harvester.
They could have run out real quick.
Yeah. I know we're close on corn. I see a little bit of unevenness in the grain corn. Wow.
How you doing?
Hey,
Hi.
how's it going?
Good, good.
I wonder whose truck was out there.
Yeah, I tracked it down.
There's some short rows on the far side over there. Okay. I had a visitor in the field. Okay, time to go. Okay. All right, Dave's getting ready to go. Means I've got to get ready to go. So the way I fill trucks is the way Dave tells me to fill trucks, but I usually try and start and fill the front of the truck first. watching him for signals telling me what to do. So I'm watching in my mirror the boom. Brains up there, wing rowing. What he's doing here is he's just topping off whatever's left from the harvester. Another truck here waiting yet, but so I'm on my way. They're gonna get some potatoes windrowed for the next truck. It's funny, filling potato trucks is actually pretty nerve-wracking. I am scared that I'm gonna hit the boom by accident or my truck will get stuck. I'm over here concentrating so hard and sweating bullets. But it's fun. I really enjoy doing it. Okay. See if anybody's coming. Nope, nope, nope. There we go. Oh man. All right. Today we are running 4 trucks. At least we started the day with 4 trucks. So each time that I go back to the field, there's so much more harvested than when I was doing it yesterday, because you think there's 3 other trucks getting filled in between me, and that also goes for storage. The pile is growing exponentially now. One of the trucks might have had a coolant leak. I did not see them come back, so we might be down a truck. We might be only running 3. But I have faith in Shane. He'll probably get it going today while he's still doing storage. He can do anything and everything all at once. All right. I'm averaging about an hour a truck. So by the time I drive back to the farm, get unloaded, drive back to the field, and get loaded, it's about an hour by the time I make it back to the farm. Doing everything all at once. All right, let me go see what Shane's up to. Oh. What's wrong with your truck, Mark? No? Did it break anything or just?
No, I just blew a heater hose.
Oh, something.
Like that. I'm looking at it now.
Yeah, I figured. Checking on. This pile is growing pretty quick. Gabrielle's getting her workout over there. Good, looking good. So my plan is to do a time lapse probably in a couple days and watch the pile grow. I'm gonna wait till we get to a spot where we're digging a little more consistently. We're moving around to a couple different fields this morning, so I will wait until then, but things are looking good. Cool. Move that dirt. Okay. All right. Let's go see what Shane's doing. Well, I know what he's doing. He's fixing Mark's truck, but we'll go see how it's going. How's it going over here? Going. Do you need coolant?
I've got some.
Okay. Is it across the street?
No, it's in my truck.
Okay. Would you like me to bring it to you? Yeah?
Nope.
No? Okay. Okay. Time to go. Get a little clogged up.
Is his truck still on the side of the road?
No, I've got to get a hose for. I'm going to send him to get a hose when we get back. So, how many rows does this windrow?
4.
4 rows into one.
2.
2. Well, in between 2, right? Yeah.
Then the harvester takes the 2 plus the 4, I think.
Yeah. So it ends up being 6. Okay.
You get into that heavy clay and it sticks, and then you get into the sand and then you plow.
See that screwdriver?
Nice stuff, though.
Yeah. The potato storage is just growing. Every time I get back there, it's like, wow.
Yeah, that'll come out.
All this will come out. Okay. Okay, not sure if you could hear that or not, but so the windrower takes 4 rows of potatoes and then it will put them into in between 2 rows that are undug. And then the harvester digs the 2 rows, which equals 6 rows at a time. Now I'm trying to get over here, get back in the truck, going across the field. This is just a little field. Okay, we've moved to another field. A little bit of potatoes here. And then up that road, there's more potatoes there. And then we also have grain corn here. So, I don't know, I see Dave out in the field. Maybe he's scouting out, looking at stuff. It's about 2 o'clock. The day goes by really quick when you're driving back and forth. So I imagine we'll get started in a little bit. I've got 1 truck in front of me, so I have a few minutes to kind of like eat a snack and kind of take a break. It's usually go, go, go. So I'm all right with this. I am on my way back. This is my last load for the day. I believe this makes 6. It's funny, I should tally in here because you do it back and forth, gonna lose count. So there's 1 more truck going back to the field, I believe, to get the rest of the potatoes. That's there. Yep, there's the 2nd truck. So 2 more trucks going back. I'm getting ready to pass it right now. Oh, it's Mark. Okay, Mark's truck's working. So that's good. So Mark will be the last truck of the day. And tomorrow we will do it all over again. I'm surprised we're stopping this early, but I guess it's not really that early because it's 4:30 for me. Then that truck, it's probably going to be at least 5:30, maybe 6 by the time everybody's done unloading. So that makes sense. I guess I just got lucky today that I was the last one in, but one of the first ones to be done. That's okay. I'm going to go help at storage. Make this turn. Well, it turned out to be a very nice afternoon at least. All right, so that's the last truck that we're unloading. Look at all these rocks. So many rocks. I don't think we'll be planting potatoes in that field again with this different type of harvester. So we're gonna clean up, and the last truck that's coming is just gonna get parked and it will get unloaded tomorrow morning. So everybody will help pick up all these rocks, get the floor cleaned up. Shane will probably move the bin piler and the conveyor out of the way. And yeah, I'll show you guys what it looks like after it's all cleaned up. Okay, it is about, all right, 6:20. Finished cleaning up. Show you the finished product for the day. So all of those culverts that were down are covered except for this last one. They haven't added anything yet, I don't think, but I'll have to ask Shane. He may have added one row. Yeah, pile's getting there. So I don't know if you can see that way back there. Those are the garage doors brackets. So that'll be about as tall as a pile goes, maybe a little bit higher. You can see that there's kind of some steps in here, the way that Shane builds this pile up. Yeah, it was a good day. Yeah, good day for harvest. We'll be back at it again tomorrow.